it's a smaller cohort. It's only 16 patients. They were only required to have 1 month of follow-up so that you had at least one scan to look for efficacy. It turned out that when all of the primary analysis was response rate by independent radiology review. And so when the central radiology review looked at the pretreatment scans for some of these patients, they found that some of them did not meet measurable disease criteria. So the overall response rate was closer to 81% with a CR rate in the 70s, but 19% of the patients were felt to be non-evaluable because they weren't felt to have measurable disease prior to getting their CAR T cells. So the numbers look a little bit worse, but it's largely an artifact of the fact that 19% of patients were unevaluable. There were no patients who had progressive disease in that cohort. And so again, the follow-up is very short. And so, most patients only having about 6 months of follow-up. So the duration of response curves look, get truncated very early. So we really, I would say the data is immature in terms of durability of response in that cohort.